cleaned up my room, so whenever I come back, I can come back to a nice clean room. It's currently 7:26, and I'm gonna go, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't think my mom ironed my dress, so I might just go iron my dress. Downstairs, just run a comb through my hair, put on my shoes, and we'll be leaving at 9.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cup my tea. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again?
We're going to go get gelato. I'm praying that they can understand English very well. Currently going to breakfast. I'm very overwhelmed. I guess we'll figure it out. I'm not even sure where we're at, honestly.
We're at the
Piazza Novana. And we just looked around, did some like shopping. There's not that many stores around here. I mean, they have like souvenir shops, but it's not a lot. It's mainly restaurants. We're not gonna eat here. We had lunch at 4. I mean, it was really good, but like,
It took us like an hour
dinner.
because we had to make tiramisu, and we also made homemade pasta.
But we're having dinner soon. It's 6:06 and we have dinner at 7. I don't think I'm gonna be able to eat anything because we just ate. If I do eat, it's gonna be like very little. And I don't wanna like get sick from like eating too much. We went into this like little toy store and I got this for my little brother. Just a little Lamborghini model police car. Thought it'd be cute. I think it's cute and I think he'll like it because he's obsessed with police. I think it'd be cool to own an Italian police car, you know?
Hi, so I got my friend Grayson a Roma keychain. Pretty cool. We went to the Vatican City as well. I got my mom a bracelet that was blue, and I got my grandparents some holy water because they're Catholic. And the rest at the hotel, but I brought both my brothers. Like, I bought my brother a shirt, my other brother I bought him a magnet. That's all the shop done so far.
We haven't done that much shopping, and at 6:45 we're going to meet back up by this like little souvenir shop, and we're gonna walk to wherever we're having dinner at. We just know it's gonna be more pasta. We literally had pasta for lunch, and then we had tiramisu.
Yeah, we can't eat anything right now because we're full.
We'll see. Hey guys, Tuesday is June 27th and it's Tuesday and it's currently 6:25. Here's my outfit. This is from American Eagle. This is from Aerie. This is from Amazon. Now we are about to go down for breakfast. Italian breakfast is literally just like pastries and juice. Hopefully we get some more really good juice because that mango juice was actually so freaking good, and I think I'm gonna get the same stuff I got yesterday. The bathroom on the right. There's the bathroom.
A lot better than last time.
This is their room. Yeah.
Ours.
There.
And this
Is the balcony. We actually share this.
Look how big it is, and it wraps around. Hi, Zoe. Zoe, look.
Look at the view. It is absolutely gorgeous. That is our hotel room tour. It is officially day 4, and I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. These are from Amazon. This is from Old Navy, from Hollister. Jeans are American Eagle, and shoes are Converse. Oh, that's today's fit. Currently the 28th and it's 6:51 and my hair looks like a mess. I just put it up because it was getting on my nerves. We just got to our hotel. This is our 3rd hotel. We're only staying here for a night. Then we're gonna travel to Bari and we're gonna stay there for 3 days. And then we're gonna fly back to Rome. But I can't believe I've been here for 5 days already. Like, it hasn't felt like 5 days, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got today. So first off, we went to the chocolate factory. As you guys saw, I got this box of mint chocolates. The boxing is like absolutely adorable. I'm obsessed. These are just the mini ones because they have little my candy treat bowl at home, and I thought these would be perfect for my mom because she loves dark chocolate. They have nuts in them, and my mom also loves nuts, so I'm pretty sure she will love them. The next thing I got is from United Colors of Benetton, and this was like absolutely the cutest little store. When we walked in, it was literally playing More Than a Woman, but it was a cover, and it like the vibes in that shop were so good. The store is expensive though, but I got this from there. It's this cute little baby doll top, and she like tied bows back. It's absolutely like the cutest little detail. I'm in love. That is everything I got, and we have dinner at 7:30. It's currently 6:55, so we'll see. Currently at this little restaurant. Don't know what it's called. Anyways, everyone say what they ordered.
Hi, I ordered lasagna and ordered lasagna and I ordered gnocchi with tomato sauce.
We're gonna be trying lasagna.
It's amazing. That is delicious.
That is amazing.
Truly incredible.
Everyone say what flavor they got.
Cotton candy. Chocolate. Tiramisu.
Another day goes by with you on the other side. Another day goes by.
I got some things today. When we were in Matera, there was a little gift shop, and from there I got this shirt. It's just a little shirt. It's a large. I got it for my dad. And then we found this really cute store. These prices were so good. I got this shirt, and it was $5.99 euros. I got this shirt, and this shirt was $6.99. And it's just a cute little graphic tee. I also got it in a medium, and it has this like really cute little graphic pattern, and it feels so nice. That's what I got today. I'm hoping I can find a cute little store here while we're in Bari.
I bought these swim shorts. They have palm trees on them. And I found this really nice dress, but it's really stretchy and it's comfortable and it's really flowy. That's it.
We'll see you in the morning. No, probably not.
Whoa!
Whoa, okay.
Whoa! Oh, wow.
This girl is a professional. We're currently by the bridge.
So we are on the bridge right now. Now we're just waiting for dinner. We have 8 minutes. I have a lot of bracelets. It's this one, by the way, the purple one. Oh, he's doing
Silent. The silent. Are you excited for dinner?
Yes.
Are you excited for dinner? This looks so good.
It's a little thing filled with like gelato and stuff. No, it's not. Whatever it is. Either way, it's delicious. No, it's gelato. No, it's not. It's cream. Oh, well, it's
What would you
called-
rate it 10 out of 10?
Honestly, it's a 10. It slaps. It slaps. I'd say 7. 7? Girl.
Fine, 8, 9. You about to try this? It's not. 10 out of 10. How would you rate today's dinner?
Today what?
Today's dinner.
The pasta was a solid 8. They put a lot of meat and mushrooms in mine, and I didn't want to eat that. The bottom was just like covered in meat and mushrooms. And
Trying to make a funny face.
the dessert was a 10 out of 10. It was scrumptious. I really enjoyed it.
The pasta was like 9 out of 10. And then the bread was like 4 out of 10. And the water was 10 out of 10. And the dessert was like the bread was like a 6 or a 5, like a 5 or 6. The pasta was like a 7 or an 8. The eclair was a 10 out of 10 for sure.
The bread was a 3 out of 10. The pasta, an 8. Too much mushrooms. The dessert was amazing. 10 out of 10.
Pasta, straight, probably like a 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10. This dessert, 10 out of 10.
We didn't eat the bread because look how big this bread is.
You're taking a picture of the picture.
Una sposa molto semplice e cortese, che non mi faccia troppo scombare.
I don't even know what to call it. We're just here.
We're in the shade of the corner of a restaurant.
It is like not as bad as it was the other days. Today it's actually pretty decent, but the clouds are like covering this like sun and stuff, so it's nice. Still very tired, and we literally have to wake up at 2:30 in the morning.
No,
to go
we
on
have
the
to
bus.
leave
Well,
the
we have to
whole thing.
leave at 2:30 in the morning. I have to like wake up at like 12 or something to get ready, which is ridiculous.
And our flight's not until 6:30.
I don't want to do that. I'm gonna be so tired tomorrow. I'm already tired.
Also, if you are trying to sleep on like a travel bus, it's not comfortable. It's really not. Because then you just feel like you're falling out of the seat. Well, at least if you're on the edge. If you have a window seat, then, you know,
It's still hard.
window, but yeah.
The window seat is still hard though. Low-key trying to like find a comfortable point because it's like so uncomfortable.
Lily vlog. Hi.
Oh my god, that's
Your face. What the heck?
Oh, that's so scary. Oh my god. Daddy is not happy.
Hi. These people are so boring, bro. We've just been sitting here for like 30 minutes
Bro,
doing
we're not
nothing.
boring. I'm having a good time. I'm watching a horror movie.
Sometimes I'm low, sometimes I'm not, sometimes I'm low. Hello.
I got gelato, got Oreo, like I've been getting this entire trip. Mary's currently eating her little strawberry macaroon.
My first time trying a macaroon. Pretty good.
Oh my gosh, y'all have friends.
Hi, baby.
Oh my gosh, one's right there. We're gonna eat this deliciousness and I'll check with you guys later. I got Twix gelato with whipped cream, and Mary also got Twix gelato with brownie.
And whipped cream.
Last night in Italy, sadly. I'm gonna do a little house tour of our villa. First off, when you walk in, you see this little clothing rack thing. This painting is kind of creeping me out a little bit. You have Italy, have this cabinet that we can't use like at all, it's just there. Then you have table, we have this bookshelf. This right here is a window. This is the oven. There's a kitchen. Can't use the kitchen. There's the fridge. We have our chocolates in there. And then here's a freezer. These is just cabinet space. And then we have the bedroom. There's 5 beds. We just have our luggage everywhere.